So today we're going to talk about the tables, but before we do that, pretty exciting, it happened yesterday. From Milwaukee, I got a brand new hat, Elevator 23 hat, custom made. My boy took care of that for me, so now I'm going to go with the white hat.
I got one too.
You got one too.
I actually did my hair, so I'll wear it next time.
I didn't do my hair, so I'm going to wear the hat. We've had some really nice weather for the past 3 weeks or so, so it was agreeable to be out in the barn putting these things together. This is all old wood from the old barn, so we had to take down the old barn, then cut all these pieces into manageable lengths, then pull all the nails out, stack them, move them, and then I took them into the barn, cut them into pieces. You know, each base, 18 pieces of wood and about 32 screws for each base. Then we worked on the tabletop, which was the liner on the inside of the barn. Same thing, had to take them down, pull all the nails out.
All
Then
of that to say we have touched this wood about
Many
10
times.
times and
Right.
we're still not done.
So, but we've got real close to having all the bases completed here. This is what the tabletops are gonna look like. We're gonna sand them nice, but this is what we've been working on, and pretty happy with how they look.
Yeah, and since it's like -7 out today, we have transitioned from working in our barn to working in the basement.
Leave me a comment if you've got a good idea of what kind of chairs would look good around these tables. We haven't got the chairs yet. I don't think I can build those, so we're gonna have to get them from somewhere. Leave me a comment or a suggestion.
Other than the tables, what we've got going behind the scenes is we are almost to our barn build. So we've got our materials ordered, we've got our builder saying that in about 4 weeks, so right now it's mid-January and he's saying by mid-February he'll be working on the build. So our daughter Jordan, shout out to Jordan Lauritsen, who does some interior design, has been working with Steve, and they've come up with our exterior design.
We have the layout, we're almost 100% on the layout.
On the
Right,
interior, yeah.
couple little details, and we're gonna move a doorway here or there, and the ceiling heights and stuff like that.
Yeah, we're getting closer.
Planning on having washrooms for male, female. Gonna have a family bathroom with a changing area for a small child or something like that. A prep area for the caterers, a mechanical room, because we gotta have, you know, the water, the heat, the everything, the electrical, and a mechanical room. And then we're planning on having a bridal suite where they can, you know, change their clothes and get ready, put on makeup and stuff like that. And we're gonna try to squeeze in an additional room for the groom and his friends to hang out during the preparation time and stuff like that, where, you know, I don't know how we're gonna decorate it yet.
So we're gonna take care of you, ladies and guys. You're gonna love it. So we're gonna do climate controlled in our foyer, bathroom, bridal, and groom suite area. The event area will have a light insulation on it to start with, and more like in phase 2, you know, move into maybe climate controlling that. But we're kind of trying to, you know, spread out this project a little bit budget-wise. So you're gonna love it.
I think we wanted to have events, more or less, open air. I mean, our event area is gonna have 2 enormous overhead doors where we plan on leaving those doors open, so you can, you know, your eating and your food and your dancing might be under roof, but then out into the big patio, you're socializing and music out there and stuff like that.
We'll
So
have an outdoor, we call it our chapel in the woods, so you will have a wooded area for the ceremony. We've already been working on that, you know, over the end of the summer. We got that cleared. So lots going on behind the scenes. We're getting our building permit probably this week, as long as our paperwork is in order. And, you know, we still have to conquer the septic and the sewer and the water, the electric, the gas. You know, we're kind of starting from scratch here, so lots going on.
that's where we're at.